If your towels appear grungy despite washing, consider stripping them to eliminate built up minerals and residue. Start with either wet or dry towels, ensuring they are clean and grouped by color to prevent dye transfer. Use a bathtub or a large bucket filled with hot water, adding 1/4 cup of borax, 1/4 cup of washing soda, and 1/2 cup of laundry detergent, stirring until dissolved. Submerge the towels completely and let them soak for about 5 hours, gently stirring once an hour. After soaking, wring out the towels and run them through a rinse cycle in your washing machine without additional detergent. Finally, dry them as usual, but avoid dryer sheets. If they still seem dirty, you can strip them again using the same method. To maintain softness, avoid excess detergent and consider adding vinegar during the wash cycle to remove residual buildup.